One sunny morning, Benny the bear was walking through the forest when he heard tiny cries. "Help! Help!" He looked up and saw a little bird, hand stuck in a bush, her wing tangled in the thorns. Benny's big paws were strong but gentle. "Don't worry, little one, I'll help you." Carefully, he pulled the branches apart and freed the little bird. She flapped her wings and chirped, "Thank you, Benny. You're my hero." Benny smiled and said, "Even big bears can have soft hearts." The birds sang a happy song, and together they watched the sun rise over the forest. A new friendship was born. Chabble.